So the agent, uh, uh, the commission of agent is from the buyer.
Yep.
What's from the buyer?
Yep.
Not from the vendor.
No.
Oh no.
Yeah.
So the competition is very high.
Well, you can learn Dutch and
Yeah.
find a job in the Netherlands.
Or,
Maybe.
or have the Dutch people to seek a home.
Yeah.
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 Open
Dubai,
your
office in there,
Yeah.
Netherlands.
Yeah. You go.
Kami 1, 2, 3 sana.
Uh-uh.
Kalaupun kamu yang jualin, tetap harus bayar sana.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, then I'm
So-
back.
Pahit.
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 Okay, today I will go to Netherlands and become a real estate agent in
Yeah.
there.
I think it's a good idea.
Deal Talks.
Welcome,
Bilzy.
So today we have our special guest. This is a lovebirds from
A lovebird.
Yeah.
Netherlands
From
and
Netherlands.
Indonesia. So can you guys explain your background first?
Name first.
Name
Name
and
first.
name first, yeah.
Yeah, first.
Well, I'm first. Well, I'm
Yeah.
Michael Sonneveld. I'm 40 years old from Belanda, the Netherlands.
Wow. But you look like 30 years old.
Uh,
Oh, well, thank you.
You're welcome.
That's a nice compliment. I don't get it much. Yeah, I think around 12 years ago we met each other via some friends of
some
her,
friends.
and now we are married for 7 years.
7 years.
8.
8 years, almost
Eight.
8, almost 8
Almost
years.
eight.
Almost 8.
Be careful.
Yeah,
Almost
yeah.
8.
I cannot forget that. Then it's fighting. Yes, I'm married for 8 years and 7 years live in the Netherlands. There we also bought a house like 4 or 5 years ago. 5 years ago.
Netherlands.
In
Yeah,
Netherlands.
in the Netherlands. And now we took the next step to buy a house also in Indonesia.
In Indonesia.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the next step where again? Bali.
Alright, Bali.
In the future step will be Bali. Yeah.
I mean. Cici.
Saya
Bahasa Indonesia
Teresia.
boleh.
Ya. Saya Teresia. Gak usah usia.
Ya,
Dirahasiakan.
jangan. Usia tuh 17 years.
17 years. Asli Surabaya, cuman sudah 7 tahun tinggal di Belanda karena menikah dengan Michael. Kalau enggak tetap di sini.
Oh, oke. Jadi ini dulu Ci, apa namanya, kenal dulu baru pindah atau
Oh,
pindah?
kenal dulu dikenalin via teman, terus kita dua sempat unsure with Asian woman,
Oke.
jadi kita berteman dulu 4 tahun.
Oh,
Dia
friends.
yakin dia datang ke ini. Aku bilang kalau yakin datang ke Indonesia.
Oke.
Terus datang, kenal sama orang tua, terus dia bilang gantian kami datang, tapi menurut agama dan budaya tidak boleh ke sana tanpa hubungan serius.
Oke.
Jadi aku bilang juga ke dia, aku nggak bisa ke Belanda kalau belum resmi. Terus dia ya oke. Jadi
Tidak
tidak ada romantic proposal, tidak ada lewat
No.
video call. Ya sudah, kita menikah.
Oke, we married. Cuma
We had to.
we had to.
Because of her family, she
Yeah.
was not allowed if she's not married to come to the Netherlands.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
Because she's a woman.
Hmm.
Right? Yeah, makes sense.
Akhirnya dalam waktu sekian bulan, itu Februari dia balik ke Belanda, September married. Jadi persiapan sat.
Oke.
Langsung.
Yeah.
Iya.
Next section.
What question?
You already buy a house in Indonesia, right? Yeah, but can you explain what is the difference if you buy a house in Netherlands and in Indonesia? Maybe what is the difference?
Well, I can explain the process in the Netherlands and then you can maybe explain the differences
Yeah.
because I don't know. Well, what is the
Yeah.
process in Indonesia?
Yeah.
In the Netherlands, when you're planning to buy a house, first you look yourself what kind of house I want.
Okay.
Then the next step is to go to a financial advisor to check what's plus minus your budget.
Like finance
Okay.
partner.
Okay.
So then you know in what direction you have to seek.
Okay. So you meet a financial advisor first, you get this is your budget.
It's an
And-
indication of what you can rent. Yeah.
oh, okay.
Well, if you know that, if after that step you can seek in the right direction for a house. Once you find one, you call the agent that you want to see the house. And you have your own agent. We call it aankoopmakelaar.
Oh.
This is the agent who will buy the house for you, and he has to call the selling agent
Okay.
to make an appointment to really see the house.
In
Okay, okay,
Indonesia.
okay. I understand little.
I will describe
Okay, okay, okay.
detail in it.
Once that is done, well, then you can make an offer.
Oh.
If you really like it and you want to buy the house, you can make an offer, and then you have to wait like 1 week for if they accept it or not.
And just like that, and you pick the house, and
Actually, it's like that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
But once you make the offer and they accept it, the selling party accept it. Well, then you still have to go to the financial advisor again.
Okay.
We bought a house now. This is the price for what we bought it.
okay.
Can you really check if we also really can get the money?
Okay, I understand. If Indonesia, jadi bedanya kalau Indonesia ya, C. Indonesia itu berarti cari agent dulu baru cari rumah ya, C?
Ya.
Oke.
Kalau di sana tuh agent ada dua, yang dia bilang angkop, overkop.
Oke.
Angkop itu maksudnya membantu klien untuk di rumah, nyariin rumah.
Oke.
Jadi sistem di rumah itu, kami ada pasang iklan di website. Di situ ada satu website itu untuk semua
All
develop,
semua
semua
rumah?
agent, semua
semua
agent,
agent. All
semua
agent.
agent pasang iklan di website Funda. Kalau ada waktu funda.nl.
Oke.
Itu semua agent masukin foto di situ. Jadi orang Belanda nggak usah cari merek A, merek B, merek C dari agen A, B, C. Cukup satu website itu
Oke.
itu semua agent.
Kalau di sini tuh ada sih namanya rumah 123.
Dalam 23 itu.
Iya. Itu kayak all agent juga
All agent
di
juga.
situ sih.
Terus pokoknya aku sudah taksir, andai kata contohnya Northwest,
Oke.
aku naksir Northwest itu. Terus dia sudah ada harganya, contohnya 2,5 M gitu,
Oke.
2,5 M. Nah, itu harga permintaan,
Oke.
fixed price tuh.
Fast price.
Terus harga permintaan, tapi setelah itu kita kayak bidding, kayak menawar.
Make
Yeah.
offer, yeah.
Offer ya.
Offer. Offernya tuh kalau high quality rumah high quality kita harus offer itu ke atas. Jadi permintaannya 2,5, aku mau rumah ini aku tawar 2,6.
Oke,
Terus,
interesting.
Kayak lelang. Jadi terus tapi kan yang nasi rumah itu masih banyak kan.
Hmm.
Jadi dikumpulin dalam seminggu, boleh lihat rumah itu seminggu, langsung tanya sama maklar, kamu mau nggak? Kalau mau nawar berapa?
Oh, that's why in Netherlands the agent is very rich, yeah, because of that. So the buyer it's find the agent,
Ah.
and in Indonesia the agent have to seek the buyer. Yeah, maybe it's different. Yeah.
Yeah, and the agent get quite some money from the buyer.
Yeah.
Commission is quite high.
Terus itu
Oke.
gunanya angkop maklar itu, Pak, kalau kita nggak pakai agent untuk bantu beli itu sebenarnya bisa, cuman
Bisa.
chance untuk dapat rumah itu kecil. Soalnya kita kan nggak.
Oke.
Jadi kalau pakai agentnya angkop maklar itu, dia kontak sama agent yang megang rumah itu. Terus
Oke.
dia tanya berapa
Orang-orang yang nawar nih berapa?
Iya.
Oke.
pernah yang tertinggi berapa? Ini tinggi 2,7 M. Terus ini telepon ke kita, ini tertinggi 2,7, budgetmu maksimal berapa? Umpamanya ditambahin 2750, kamu dapat rumah itu. Jadi
Oke, like auction ya, bidding.
ya. Jadi
Oke.
andai kata
What about the bidding?
ya di bidding angkop atau help tuh.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, it also depends on the economy. If the economy will get low and there are too many houses on the market, then you can bidding below the vraagprijs. What's vraag?
Oh,
Ya,
oke.
Below the asking
Depends,
price.
depends.
Yeah.
harga
Oh,
permintaan.
But now at this time the market is really heated, so you have to really bidding 10% above.
Sometimes
10%.
10% dari
Atas.
ke atas dari harga
Ah.
permintaan. Jadi kalau nggak pakai itu kan kita nggak tahu, oh, kamu kalah
Bidding.
kalau bid rumah ini jadi milik orang lain. Tapi karena kita pakai agent yang bantu, terus kalau memang kita budgetnya dipaksain bisa 2750, yaitu rumah kamu.
Gitu. Yeah. But the process after you bidding and have the deal,
Mhm.
the deal, from that to notaries, maybe 1 week, 2 weeks,
Oh,
No, longer.
longer,
Yeah. It's gonna be 5 weeks, 6 weeks.
5 weeks, 6
Yeah.
weeks.
Also, you buy the house. Well, you buy the house on the voorwaarden. Only if you can get the money. So there is like a rule in the contract. If you not
Okay.
get the money from the
From the
if the financial,
Yeah.
Okay. And it's a
you don't have to buy it, and just
Oh,
without any fine.
oh,
And that's like 5 weeks.
that's 5
So you get
weeks.
5 weeks or 6 weeks, I believe, to arrange the money.
Orange money, yeah. Like a bank, like a bank.
Yeah.
Okay.
Between
Oh, between.
it's not fun.
No, this is the financial advisor. They arrange it with the bank, and you just
Okay.
wait.
Jadi ada antara perantara sama bank.
Antara sama bank. Oh,
Jadi bank itu cuman financial oke keluar.
Yeah, maybe in Indonesia, like the bank have a marketing. Yeah, but maybe in that the bank just a bank.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ya.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. But nih.
So in Netherlands, does the buyer can get 100% loan from the bank, like some other countries, or how?
Or you have a down payment first, or maybe to 20%.
No, but there is some extra cost for the notaris, for the agent.
Okay.
And that's like 10% always. All the cost together is 10% of
10%.
Yeah, and that money you cannot finance. So that money you have to pay yourself.
Oh.
But there is no down payment or such.
Oh, okay. So the bank cover 100%, but you have a like notaries, like the
Yeah.
agent, and like
You have to
that.
you have to pay yourself.
Oh, so the agent, the commission of agent is from the buyer.
Yep.
What's from the buyer?
Yep.
Not from the vendor.
No.
Oh no.
No.
Oh, okay. Kalau in Indonesia, from the vendor or from the developer, but not from the buyer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big difference.
Big difference.
Yeah.
Big difference. So that's why Michael and Teresa not give money for me, like to me,
Yeah.
but you give a chocolate. Yeah. This is my commission.
Yeah.
Okay. But
Try to get the commission.
Yeah, from us, right? Yes.
Or also salary from the company.
for salary.
I think also salary. Yeah.
Oh, if Indonesia we don't have salary, we can get salary.
Actually, the agent doesn't need salary, but they get it.
Yeah.
The commission already so much.
Yeah. But in Indonesia, it's the agent is very banyak itu apa ya?
So many.
Yeah.
And
So the competition is very high.
Well, you can learn Dutch and
Yeah.
find a job in the Netherlands.
Maybe.
or have the Dutch people to seek a home.
Yeah.
Open
Dubai,
an office in there,
Yeah.
Netherlands.
Yeah.
Because,
You go.
yeah. Because like Dubai, because many people working online or remote.
Yeah.
So many Netherlands people like to live in Dubai but work for Netherlands companies. That's why in Dubai now there's a property agent special for Dutch people.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe deal can. Yeah.
Open here.
Yeah.
Mm.
But what's your feeling after get a new home in Indonesia? Your feelings may be just like that, or
Or here is more
more small.
with the document with the
It's a bit complicated, yeah. But also that we have to sign for
ATP.
Oh yeah.
what's that?
The
That's not mine.
certificate.
No, that's not mine
Oh, Pisah harta.
Oh yeah.
because I'm not from Indonesia. I'm not allowed to get the property here.
Soalnya
Yeah.
nggak ada.
Yeah. because
No.
in
Yeah.
in Indonesia, we if you foreigner,
Uh-huh.
it's just you just
Rent.
rent. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can just rent.
Yeah. Well, so that's a bit strange for me, but yeah.
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 To deal with it.
Because is foreigner allowed to buy in Indonesia, the land of Indonesia it's gone.
Mhm.
So
Because for
so
us, it's not. It's
Yeah.
small money.
because very cheap
Uh-huh.
for those people to buy
Yeah,
Indonesia ya.
Soalnya di situ kan aku orang asing, tapi nikah sama dia. Tapi rumah yang di sana tuh milik bersama.
Oh gitu.
Jadi amit-amit kalau salah satu
Ada
sudah
apa-apa.
lulus dari dunia ini, rumah itu 100% punya aku.
Oh gitu.
Dan itu terserah aku mau dipakai sampai seumur hidup atau
Oh gitu. Iya iya
but
iya.
then
iya.
how as it's human
Yeah.
100% mine.
Yeah.
Nanti
Hmm.
kalau amit-amit di
Ya.
terjadi seperti itu gimana?
Aku sudah kayak notaris sih. Dikasih waktu 1 tahun. Rumah itu 1 tahun milik dia, tapi 1 tahun masih jual.
What 1 year to sell it?
Iya,
Ya.
iya.
Ya.
But in Netherlands, no. Kalau aku pakai seumur hidup aku, nggak masalah. 100% punya aku. Dan langsung dianggap lunas.
Ya. Ya in Indonesia same, but if the wife and the husband same
Yeah.
Sim Indonesia ya.
if the husband is die or like that, it's
It's gonna be
it's lunas tuh apa ya?
Property go to
Yeah.
the,
Yeah,
to
the
the partner.
property.
Yeah.
and it's everything is don't have to pay the mortgage. It is same. Because, yeah.
We the US still have to pay the mortgage. We get the insurance,
The insurance.
and that
Yeah,
insurance.
insurance.
Yeah. Oh, that's the same.
Same
Yeah.
insurance. Tapi apa Ci, setelah kan kemarin kan Cici juga beliin rumah kan buat papa mama.
Iya.
Ya, buy for parents. Ya kan. Nah, perasaannya gimana Ci akhirnya kemarin kan serah terima rumahnya.
Rasanya ya sebelum serah terima waktu yang setahun kemarin begitu di goal itu rasanya
Wah.
soalnya kan waktu sejak pertama mau cari rumah kan kita tanya-tanya juga teman-teman yang orang Indonesia yang di Belanda itu jawabannya tuh negatif dan positif.
Oke.
Ya susah deh, mending nabung dulu. Kalau nabung dulu kapan beli rumahnya?
Oke.
Terus susah kalau udah tinggal di luar negeri nggak untuk apply KPR tuh susah gitu. Pokoknya banyak yang plus minus. Akhirnya aku telepon sendiri ke salah satu kenalan yang kerja di marketing bank.
Oke.
Dia bilang bisa. Pokoknya selama aku KTP Indonesia, paspor Indonesia, punya kerjaan tetap di Belanda bisa. Terus thanks God, waktu tahun kemarin aku apply itu, aku sudah dapat fast kontrak, kontrak permanen.
Oke.
Kontrak
Permanent contract.
Permanen kontrak.
Oke.
Itu terus, ya semua permintaan dari marketing bank, ya aku turun ya satu-satu sampai disuruh foto di tempat kerja karena
Iya,
mereka
iya,
nggak
iya.
bisa survei tempat kerja
Iya,
foto. Kerja, aku fotoin, ngapain kau foto udah untuk kebulan ini ya oke. Dan sekalinya juga HRD di sana aku email kan aku cari rumah nanti bang mau interview lewat email. Untungnya kooperatif ya. Oh ya, it's good.
Puji Tuhan ya, praise the Lord.
The HRD help.
Yeah.
And then setelah dia jawab, oh ya ini orang baru udah email aku jawab kayak gini di forward ke aku. Dan memang kan aku apply-nya jujur ya. Kondisinya apa semua itu pokoknya harus transparan lah.
Ya.
Status apa aja transparan ternyata ya.
Ternyata bisa. Ya puji Tuhan ya.
Wow.
Nih 10 tanya nomor 10.
Ini enggak.
Nah, sana harus 10 boleh. Kan kalau di Pro Indonesia kan kayak ini tuh Ci, di Indonesia itu kan harganya itu kayak mari beli banyak yang turun. Kalau di Belanda boleh tanya.
Iya, nggak tahu.
Price.
If you buy a house in Indonesia, maybe you buy what price and maybe the price is going low, low. But if in Netherlands, like if you buy a property, it's going to up the price or maybe
In general, go up.
Go up.
Yeah.
In where? Netherlands.
In Netherlands, the price go up. Especially in long term, it will always go up. Maybe in short term, sometimes it go a little bit down.
But it'll be.
Yeah, but in long term, it will always go up.
Okay.
So it's always a good investment.
Yeah, good investment.
Yeah.
If Indonesia, if you buy a wrong
Location.
wrong location, it's going to,
Oh, really?
it's going down.
Then,
Oh, but Mansion 9 is good location.
Yeah, mention that it's good location. So that's why I,
yeah.
but then
That's
no,
true.
yeah, it's depend on the location.
Different location.
It doesn't matter what location, everything go up.
Always
Mm,
go up.
if in Indonesia maybe going to low or just
Ah, okay.
stuck.
Huh.
Maybe 5 years, 10 years stuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe Indonesia, the land is so big,
Mhm.
maybe
Yeah, and in Holland, Netherlands is really limited.
limited. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Lagi.
So it has the possibility to go low in Indonesia,
Yeah. Yeah.
lower than
If-
before.
Yes.
Wrong location.
Yes. If you buy a wrong location.
Okay.
Yeah. But in Netherlands, mostly it's going to up
Yeah.
Mhm.
Just 1 or 2 years already. One
cuan. Already
Yeah,
cuan.
I think our house now 5 years later is
is
20% more.
20% more, 5
Yeah,
years.
yeah.
Oh yeah, good.
karena kan kalau udah tetangga dipasangin pelang dijual,
Langsung.
selalu buka website itu kan Funda itu. Kita tahu oh permintaan harga segini.
Jadi semua properti yang di situ pasti masuk Funda sih. Pasti.
Oh, it's all agent Funda by almost ya.
99%.
99%.
99%.
99%.
Just one website or
Yeah.
just one website.
Funda.
Oh, so powerful.
Yeah.
Website.
Also, jadinya kan gampang kan orang jadi
Iya,
rumah
iya.
tinggal satu website gitu. Jadi
Oke.
memang di situ pertarungan antar agent properti nggak lihat.
Nggak kelihatan. Karena kalau di Indonesia kan masang sendiri
Iya.
satu rumah, we have 10 banner.
Here is the agent
Ah.
like a really competition
Yeah.
to sell or to buy.
Yeah, in Netherlands the agents help each other.
Kalau beli jual rumah juga
It's not allowed, but they do it.
Yeah.
jual rumah juga satu agent udah nggak boleh di.
Oh yeah, because in Netherlands or in Australia, it's the listing of the house.
Mhm.
It's always apa itu namanya biasanya ya? Kalau kita itu exclusive listing,
Mhm.
eksklusif. Jadi one house is one agent.
Yeah.
But if in Indonesia one house is 25 agent, 50
Ah.
agent.
Yeah. Ah.
So yeah,
Mm.
Oh,
Sometimes
in Netherlands, only one
Only
agent
one
per
agent.
house.
Yeah.
eksklusif. But 6 bulan gitu nanti harus ganti agent gitu. Kayak ada sign contract. Kayak gitu, setahu
But it's actually impossible to have multiple agents because you have to pay the commission. You have to pay the agent to sell your house.
ya.
If you have like 20 agents, you have to pay 20 agents.
Oh, in Netherlands like that.
Yeah.
so kamu umpamanya 1, 2, 3 sama.
Heeh.
Kalaupun kamu yang jualin tetap harus bayar.
Oh. Oke.
Oh, then I'm
So-
back. Huh?
Pahit. Pahit.
Okay, today I will go to Netherlands and become a real estate agent in
Yeah.
that.
I think it's a good idea.
Tapi memang pertama kayak waktu kita jual rumah yang lama, kita kontak beberapa agent.
Oke.
Terus kita merasa serap sama yang mana. Tapi
Oke.
beberapa agent itu bisa, oh rumahmu nih permintaannya segini. Oh yang ini bisa segini.
More professional ya.
We
Professional.
contact those some agent and
Yeah.
we decide.
Oke. Terakhir last question Michael. Kan udah dapat rumah di Indonesia. Perasaannya gimana Ci? Setelah kemarin kan kita serah terima. Kan kalau kemarin kan baru beli kan, jadi kan ngomong after dapat, oh ya ACC di bank gitu. Oke. Nah kemarin kan kita lihat rumahnya. Nah, menurut Cici gimana pandangan setelah dari gambar, ya, terus akhirnya jadi rumahnya. Nah itu gimana Ci perasaannya?
Waktu udah jadi ya lega ya. Jadi,
Tapi sesuai nggak ekspektasinya?
Sesuai sih.
Sesuai aja ya.
What you the expectation from the photo and video and then the real
And the real.
is it? What you feel?
Yeah, it's quite what I expected. Of course, the model property was really beautiful from inside.
Rumah contoh kan selalu
Ya,
desain
lebih bagus.
begitu indah.
Yeah, you can expect that. This is so no, it's quite like what I expected.
Hmm. Soalnya rumah yang Teresia sama Michael nih open the door,
Balkon,
balkon, and langsung apa itu danau tuh lake,
Iya,
bukan lake,
bukan ada
Small.
patung, ada air mancur
air
ya.
mancur tuh apa ya? Fountain.
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 Yeah.
Fountain, ya. Eksklusif fountain.
Exactly.
Jadi waktu lihat foto, bayangan sama realnya sih oke.
Oke ya. Jadi ini aku susah dari bahasa Inggris ya. Jadi
Iya.
bahasa Indonesia. Jadi itu aslinya gambarnya itu Dilsi. Itu aslinya gambarnya itu ini misal rumah, ini rumah. Nah, fountainnya itu di sini, tengah-tengah. Michael house and
Dan
another neighbor ya. But aslinya tiba-tiba ini Michael and Teresia house di sini fountainnya. Jadi berubah. Jadi neighbornya nggak dapat fountain.
Jadi kalau duduk di
Eksklusif
balkon,
fountain.
langsung pemandangannya.
Iya, eksklusif fountain. From this house and another house like in here.
Yeah, that's quite further, that one.
Yeah, but that is more expensive.
Yeah.
Pasti Surabaya.
Ya, ya, and menariknya itu ya, ini rumahnya Michael tuh ini Surabaya.
Eh,
Ini pindah ke ini apa namanya fountainnya. Ini ini Surabaya, ini Gresik. Jadi setiap hari Gresik Surabaya gitu. Selangkah ya.
Iya, selangkah.
Selangkah Gresik Surabaya. Oke, kalau gitu bisa ditutup. Thank you.
Okay, thank you guys for watching today's podcast with our special guest.
Michael
Thank
and
you for
Teresia.
having us.
And thank you for buy your house property with Dilkan
Yeah.
Well,
property.
thank you for the arrangements. For help us with the islands.
Oke, thank you.
Thank you
Thank you.
Memuaskan. Mas
Memuaskan.
tuanya
Si
memuaskan.
Tuhan. Meskipun aku nggak bisa bahasa Inggris, memuaskan guys.
Maksudnya ada perantara.
Untungnya.
Kalau
gitu.
langsung,
Ya, ini after podcast ini, aku jamin after this podcast, maybe my wife say to me, you must to learn English. Iya.
or maybe many Western people, I also wanna seek a home in Indonesia with Dilkan.
Nah, amin.
Because one is already success.
Amin.
Maybe like in Bali.
Ya.
Amen.
Oke, kalau gitu kita ketemu di podcast kita selanjutnya, ya kan? Dan see you Dilsi. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.